Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Hawthorne effect for BSc Nursing, Post-Basic BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing students. This is from the subject Nursing Research and Statistics. What is Hawthorne effect? So, before seeing what is Hawthorne effect, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the topic. So, Hawthorne effect is nothing but it is also known as observer effect. This Hawthorne effect can be asked in either 2 marks question or sometimes in 5 mark question. Mostly you will be getting in 2 marks question. So it is also known as the observer effect. It is a type of reactivity in which individuals modify or improve an aspect of their behavior in response to their awareness of being observed. Okay. So, Hawthorne effect is also known as observer effect. See here, whom you are observing. Okay, they know that they are being observed. So, they will modify or change their behavior. The original behavior will not be there. Since they are being observed, so they will be modifying the behavior. So, when you are doing some procedures also, if you know that you are being observed by your tutor, then you will follow all the principles and you will be doing the procedure. So why you are doing in such a way? Because you know that you are being observed. So the same thing, when someone is observing us, we will be modifying our behavior. We will be changing our behavior. So we will be doing better. Okay, so this effect is known as Hawthorne effect. The Hawthorne effect occurs when people behave differently because they know that they are being watched. It can also affect your study results and it can also contaminate an interventional study or experimental study. So, you don't know, you want to observe the correct behavior, but they know that you are being observed, you are observing them, so they will not show the original behavior. So they will modify their behavior or they will change their behavior. So this is known as a Hawthorne effect. So how this Hawthorne effect came into existence? So the Hawthorne experiments were originally carried by the National Research Council at Hawthorne, Chicago in the late 1920s and early 1930s. So the Hawthorne is from the place where it has been conducted in Chicago. So here they conducted, and the National Research Council conducted an experiment at the Western factory in the Hawthorne. So this experiment studies the effect of shop floor lighting working hours on productivity. So first they provided all favorable environmental conditions like good lighting, good working conditions, as per requirements or norms, everything they have followed and they have seen that the productivity was increased. Okay. But later, the same effect has been observed even if the subjects are provided with diminished light or excessive working hours. Okay, so the working conditions are also not favorable. In such case also the productivity has been increased. So initially the experiment studies the effect of shop floor lighting working hours on productivity. So first they provided good lighting and good working conditions. Then they have observed that the productivity has been increased. Next, they provided dim light with poor working conditions, more working hours. But even though the production was increased, why this has happened? See, with the normal working conditions, with adequate lighting, the production is increased, means you are having some rationale. But here, in spite of poor working conditions, in spite of diminished lighting also, the production is going to be same or the production is increased. What is the reason? Because they know that they are being studied or that they are being observed or evaluated. So this effect is called as Hawthorne effect, which is more common in most of the experimental studies when the subjects are aware that they are being studied for a research purpose. So to conclude, the researchers, what they have concluded is that this effect is known as Hawthorne effect, where the participants were aware that they are being observed, and this is the reason for increased productivity in spite of unfavorable conditions. Okay, so this effect is known as Hawthorne effect. In spite of unfavorable conditions, that is diminished light, poor working conditions, more working hours, whatever it may be, the production has been increased. Why? The main reason is the subjects are aware that they are being observed. So in spite of these unfavorable working conditions also, the production has been increased, which is called as observer effect or Hawthorne effect. So this comes mostly under 2 marks question. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box. If you have not watched those videos, you can watch our channel playlist for more videos. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel. Thank you friends.